Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Kashmiri chai. The ingredients you will need is Kashmiri chai, half cup of fresh cream, 3 cups of whole milk, 5 to 6 green elaichi, half a teaspoon of sonf, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 long, a pinch of salt, 2 star anise also known as badian, 2 spoons of chopped almonds, and 2 spoons of pistachio. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chai. To make the tea, I'm going to add 4 cups of cold water and add all of the spices. Once you have everything, we're going to turn on the stove. We're going to boil this mixture until we have about 2 cups left. I will now show you the snow outside my house today, which is the perfect weather to drink Kashmiri chai. You can see now the water is starting to boil. We're still going to cook this until it's about reduced to 2 cups. Once the tea has reduced to about 1.5 cups, I'm going to add 1 cup of ice, turn off the flame, and we're going to beat this mixture for about 15 minutes. I'm using 2 pots here so that I can beat the mixture into a perfect pink color. After we have beaten the mixture, we're going to put it on the stove again for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we're going to strain the tea. Now I will start to boil the milk and the cream. Once the milk starts to boil, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add this according to your taste. Now that the milk is done boiling, we're going to add our tea kava inside the milk. After adding the tea, just let the milk simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. And here you have it, Kashmiri tea is all ready. I am now adding the almonds and pistachios and mix well. You can add this according to your taste as well. Now pink tea is all ready. This recipe makes 6 cups, good for the whole family to enjoy. If you guys enjoyed my recipe, make sure to give this video a like and a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know this recipe can be a bit time consuming and tedious, so you can definitely make enough gala for a long time and you can keep it in your fridge for about 1 to 2 weeks. Thank you everyone for watching my recipe today, and as always, I'll see you in my next one.